So today I have this look for you guys. It's a dramatic Cut-crease with gold glitter. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, and this is this one right here. This one's the Nature Glow 35O. And I haven't used this palette in a long ass time. I think I've only used it like once or twice. And I'm going to get started with the browns. I'm going to be grabbing the color Gossip, which is this one here. And 573, this one right here. So I'm going to be grabbing a darker shadow to start creating the darkness of the cut crease. So for that, I'm going to be going in with this one. It's called Choco. So I do want to bring this a little high than where my original cut crease is at, just because I do want to do my cut crease a little bigger. Now I'm going to be using this brush from BH Cosmetics, and it's the number 13. So I'm going to be using Unreal. I'm going to be switching brushes now, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics number 10. I'm going to be using the color Power, which is this one here. So the last shadow I'm going to be using for the cut crease line is this one, and it's called Cafe. It's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this. I do want to go back with Wannabe, which is this one here. I like to clean my lid, especially when I have like dark colors. So I like to grab a Q-tip, and then I grab this little spray where I keep water. So I'm just gonna spray my Q-tip and then just start cleaning it. I'm gonna be using this one. It's called Gold Girl. This is a shader brush from Moda Pro. Packing that color in. And I like this one because it has like different colors, not only gold, it has some greens, some reds. I don't know, it's very, very pretty. And I'm going to be using my NYX Glitter Glue Wet n Wild brush. So I'm going to be using this liquid liner from BH Cosmetics. So now, once I'm done with my liquid liner, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some glitter on that space that we have in the middle. This time I'm going to be switching brushes, and this is just like a regular paint brush. It's very, very thin. For under my brow bone, I'm going to be using Up Front. Now I'm going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics with Nikki Tutorials, and it's this one here, and it's called, is it called Glow Goals? Yeah, I think it's called Glow Goals. So it's this gold one here. I'm going to be using this Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm going to be putting it in my inner tear duct here. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. I'm going to be applying some highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Ofra Naked Tutorial one again. This is the one that I use for my inner tear duct. guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked this look. I've done this look before. I just never had recorded it. But here it is. It's one of the looks that I really, really like. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Just to find somewhere that finally fits.